But when Bart was fast asleep in the middle of the night, suddenly a bright light woke him up. He pushed open the door and saw a massive Polar Express. The conductor was shouting loudly that this was the train to Santa's place. After Bart boarded the train, it actually started flying through the air. As the Christmas leaves burned, the train began speeding up rapidly. Everywhere they passed was filled with Christmas spirit. After an hour, the train reached Santa's North Pole.
Excuse me, Mr. Goblin?
Elf, I'm an elf.
Whatever you say.
Bart then asked where Santa was located. The elf said only senior elves could meet Santa. Bart had to start from the wrapping room when he got here. Then Bart followed two poorly dressed little elves into the wrapping room. However, there were only a few people Bart's size in the wrapping room. Where did everyone else go? Two co-workers told Bart they all ran to the South Pole because the pay was better there. Bart watched the two working on wrapping paper and felt that Christmas no longer needed wrapping paper. Then he stuck several bows on the wooden cart. This saved materials and sped up progress. The senior elf saw all this and thought Bart was very clever, so he promoted him to toy inspector while the other two co-workers were fired. Nelson complained that his lungs were now full of candy dust. Seeing this, the senior elf had them both help the Easter Bunny instead.